Well, we're back for another desk job, and my apprentice has been playing her Switch again. Some point about a month ago, we replaced the screen protector on this, and well, she's done another one. Fortunately, for a grand total of nearly $20, we can buy another one. But I guess at some point it's going to get to be about the same cost as a new Switch, and we'll stop putting screen protectors on it at that point, I think. But anyway, I've got to get this old screen protector off, which is on pretty well, and we're going to change it for the other one. Here we go. We can get this spudger underneath and gently lift off. Not too fast, of course, because you can bust the original screen if you're not careful. And we just want to gently apply force and hold it for a while. Now these are laminated tempered glass, so if you're careful, you can coax them off. I'm pulling away and up slightly, and it should, if you're patient, for the most part, come off. There we go. And immediately a piece of dust landed on it. So we have a new one, which is in this little book-like casing. It comes with some cleaning pads. But I have some isopropyl alcohol. I might give this a clean with that first and then with these pads. Now, normally I would not use tissue on this, but my good clean rag is not good and clean anymore. We're going to start with a tissue. These are unscented tissues, so they don't have oils and stuff on them. But about at this point, you're going to start adding lint. So the supplied cleaning product will deal with that. So firstly, they give you these dust absorber pads. They're basically little stickers that you can use to pick up the dust off them, and then they give you a cleaning wipe, a dry cleaning wipe. So we're going to wait for all of that to dissipate. We're going to take the dry cleaning wipe and wipe with that, the lint-free cloth. Probably a very cheap material, I would assume. Alright, where are we? I think that's pretty good. Now, let's move that away for a moment. And I realized I've got a little speck of dust there. Alright, we will come back to that in a moment. We're going to take the protector out of the sleeve. And Tinkerman Mick is good at this. Now, there is already a guide sticker on here. And I need to peel that one off. The guide stickers are handy, but I find I'm much better without them. This is pretty much a square sheet of glass. I want to make sure we get no dusty bits under it, because this static clings to them. Not that my apprentice is going to matter all that much about it, because she tends not to notice these things. So I'm going to peel off the membrane here. Nice and ASMR slow. And I'm pretty good at lining these up. So I am going to just line up by hand and touch in the middle and then let it go. This is something Tinkerman Mick taught me, was to just get it started in the middle and let it do its own thing. Ha! And the bubble went away. I think that worked really well. We can push along the corners here a little bit to push all them out. Wipe the fingerprint off the middle. And I think we've had a perfect screen protector. You would not believe how long it took me to learn that skill. Of all the things I can do, it's one that took a long time. What have we got? What's she been playing? Well, her Switch is flat. Surprise, surprise. We'll put it on charge, and yeah, we should be able to use it. And here's me in the background. Alright, simple one. Let's move on to something more interesting. See you in the next one.